Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys, and today I'm going to be replacing this GX200 engine Honda with a new one. This engine here has been a good running engine. I can't remember for how long we've had it. Only thing is the recoils spring has broke on it a couple times. We tried bending it back and it keeps snapping, and throttle linkages are broken. It's basically shook itself to pieces. And the parts on it are still good, so we'll probably rub parts off it if we need to, but we're going to get her changed out. Alright, so we got her all mounted up, fits perfect. Water pumps back on, topped it off with oil, fill the engine up with oil, and put a little bit of gas in there in case something goes awry, that it's not right chuck full. So switch it on, and we're going to see if it starts here. Purrs like a kitten. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you next time.